Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Do you love sitting down to a big Sunday dinner with the entire family? Do you wish you could enjoy the taste of those all-day slow-cooked, labor-intensive recipes without the time, the work, or the wait? Well, now there's a new way to make meals that taste like they've been cooking all day with just one simple press of a button. And do it in a fraction of the time. How would you like to make a hearty pot roast with all the fixings done in 25 minutes? Fall off the bone ribs ready in 40 minutes? Or how about chicken wings, going from rock-hard frozen to steaming hot in just 10 minutes? A tender shredded pulled pork, cooked to perfection 10 times faster. Well, now you can.
Emeril Lagasse here with my new pressure air fryer. Make soups or stews, my one-pot lamb shank dinner that's so full of flavor and juices. My favorite jambalaya. This is fast, affordable home cooking, folks.
What's the secret? The pressure cooker airtight lid locks into place, trapping superheated steam inside. The hyper-pressurized environment forces liquid and moisture into your food for delicious meals up to 70% faster. With 44 cooking functions, this is so much more. Choose from one-touch settings for meats, one touch for fish. Boil water in minutes. It makes a perfect pasta pot. Steam nutrient-packed veggies in only minutes. One touch and it converts into a rice cooker. Make perfect white, brown, wild rice, and even risotto in as little as 6 minutes.
This is going to completely change the way you cook.
Emeril Lagasse exploded onto the scene more than 30 years ago. World-renowned restaurants, TV shows, books. He's one of the world's most celebrated and awarded chefs. He revolutionized the culinary world. Now he's revolutionizing your kitchen with his pressure air fryer. Today on Emeril Every Day, America's most lovable chef and American Idol star Kimberly Locke are showing you just how easy it is to create mouth-watering meals using only the pressure air fryer.
Trust me, the first time you work with a pro-grade appliance, you'll be hooked. No other way of cooking will give you these results. I use it in my home, and it makes preparing all the meals I love tastier, easier, and faster. Bam! Bam!
And here's the best part. Today, you're not only going to get an amazing deal on the best kitchen appliance you'll ever own, you're also going to find out how you can get all these amazing recipes and more, all packed into this cookbook not available in any store. It's time to kick your kitchen up a notch.
This is Emeril Every Day. Thank you. This is my brand new pressure air fryer. It's a pressure cooker and an air fryer all in one pot. Yeah, what we did is take a frozen chicken and pressure cook it. So this is pressure cooked, okay? Pressure cooking, it's about 70% faster.
Yeah.
What happens is you're trapping in the moisture that makes it really super moist and delicious. Now, put the air fryer lid, and we're gonna program it to air fry, and we're air frying.
So I love this because I love to pressure cook, but one of the things about pressure cooking is you don't get that beautiful color.
A pressure cooked chicken from our competitor, and that's exactly what it does.
So as you can see, this bird don't look so great.
Well, that's exactly, folks, what you're gonna get. You're gonna get pressure cooked.
So you don't have another option with this pot.
No.
This is it.
You pressure cook. All right, you ready? Okay. Check it out.
Wow.
Pressure cooker keeps it nice and moist and the juice is in, and then the air fryer is gonna make it nice and crispy. Incredible.
What a difference.
Yeah. Look at how moist and crispy that chicken is. Can you see those juices? Look at that.
Wow.
So juicy.
This is delicious. Moist on the inside, crispy on the outside, exactly the way you want it.
Now let me show you something else. We've been air frying fried chicken. That rapid air technology that's built into the air frying lid fries your food with hot air without any oil. That's
And
the great thing.
here's the test. Is it crispy?
Oh, chef.
We're talking up to 70% less calories from fat.
Yes. Now, I'm a big fan of pulled pork. However, it's gonna take in your oven 3.5, 4 hours.
Wow.
In ours, 1 hour.
This is a game changer. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for efficiency in my kitchen, right? So if I can have pulled pork in an hour,
Yeah.
I might make this on Sunday.
Did I tell you that it also bakes? Oh, yes. We're gonna take some good old American barbecue sauce, then take some of our pulled pork right on our pizza. A little bit of bell pepper, and then grated mozzarella cheese. In minutes, this is what we're gonna have. Look at the color, okay?
Now, who doesn't love pizza, right? Homemade pizza right in your pressure cooker.
I'm telling you, folks, this will replace your oven. So now I ask you, are you ready to kick it up a notch? I've been waiting for this all day. Check it out, chicken pot pie. Oh my gosh. So we pressure cook to keep all of that moisture, deliciousness. Then we flip the lid and we air fried to get it crispy.
I'm gonna get a little bit of biscuit. Nice and creamy and thick.
See how the biscuits cook just like that, folks? Oh.
Good. That is good, Chef.
Oh. Now, we want to pressure cook ooey gooey French toast. We have eggs, we have milk, we have orange juice, maple syrup, which is going to be the sugar. We're going to add our bread. Now, the gooey part, cream cheese, and then, I don't know about you, but I happen to love blueberries.
Yeah.
You see how simple the recipe is.
Any dish that goes into your oven can go inside the pressure cooker, and you never have to turn your oven on.
Now, switch lids to the air fryer lid so that we could get that beautiful crispiness on the top. Check it out.
Beautiful.
I would go in to the ooey gooey like that. I would go in like that. Did I tell you that this also cans? Yes. So look at this. So this is a blueberry one, and we're just gonna spoon some of that hot blueberry compote right on our ooey gooey. I hear you out there. I feel you. And then what we'll do is, just to finish it, we just do a little bam! Bam! And there you have it. Everybody loves meatloaf, right? But how many times do you do it in the oven and it's dry?
It's dry. Nobody wants a dry meatloaf.
I lined the casserole with bacon. Now watch this. We're gonna take some mozzarella cheese, about 3 slices like that. Chorizo. We're gonna put the chorizo as the next layer. Then, we're gonna put a layer of roasted peppers. Oh yeah, babe. Then what we did is we formed sort of like a big burger patty, which is gonna be the top layer. And you wanna press it down. We're gonna take the bacon and we're gonna just sort of cross the bacon. You could put this bacon on a bumper of a car and it would taste good. Okay? Now, pressure cooked, keeping all of those juices in. Then you put the air fryer top on. In a few minutes, you have crispy bacon.
Oh, look at that.
Right? We not only have bacon, we got juicy meatloaf. And we're just gonna cut this baby, and then look at that.
Meatloaf surprise.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at how juicy this is.
This is what pressure cooking is all about.
Yeah.
Locking in those flavors. The bacon is just infused throughout the entire thing.
You see how juicy it is on the inside? So now you can make a one-pot complete meal. We air fried steaks. No oil, no flipping. I see caramelization.
That's right. That's a huge win.
Yes.
Huge.
Oh, look, there's a little surprise underneath there. So here we go.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Look at that.
Thank you, thank you. Try that. Watch the crunch. That's what I'm talking about, folks.
Because we're using no oil, we're getting up to 70% fewer calories from fat. That's a huge win.
We got more. Oh, we got more cooking coming.
There's more.
The great thing about the pressure cooker is that you can use inexpensive cuts of meat. Oh yeah, it's lamb shanks as a one-pot meal. If I was to do this on the stovetop and then in the oven, we're talking 3 hours minimum. Well, guess how long in our pressure cooker? 30 minutes.
Wow. Wow.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
That's what I call yummy. Pressure cooking, lamb shanks, one meal, one pot.
That's a real meal right there.
You got pizza meets cheeseburger. What? Check this dish out. I got pizza dough. I got cheese, like a cheeseburger. And we're gonna put that cheese, just kind of layer it. So now, I took ground beef. So this is our burger part of it. I like onion on my cheeseburger, okay? So we have a little bit of onion. I like pickle on my cheeseburger. So we'll have a little pickle. What we're gonna do now is just sort of take the first layer and just sort of roll it. Roll it, roll it. We're gonna keep rolling it, okay?
There you go.
Now, we take the egg wash and we egg wash the top. So this is gonna give it nice color. I like those sesame seed buns, don't you? So why not make one? Now, folks, what we do, put it in the air fryer. And within minutes, in the air fryer mode, check this out.
Yum.
So I can,
I like that.
and let's just show you. You want a bite?
Family style cheeseburger pizza roll. Thank you.
Can you feel the love? Let's go on to something that I think we all have love for. And that's ribs. This is a pressure cooker. This is the competitor. This is not us. So I want to show you ribs. It's fine. I'm not doctoring this up to make a point here. I just want you to see pressure cooking. Now, I want you to see pressure cooking and then air frying to get what? Crispy! That's right. For that crispy, that caramelized finish.
Ready?
Check it out. So, now you have our ribs
Big difference.
and they're falling off the bone. That's tender.
Yeah.
I'm dying over here. Folks. And I know you probably are in the audience as well because can you see the difference in the color?
Yeah.
The caramelization? You can pressure cook, and there are a lot of pressure cookers out there, but I haven't seen pressure cooker, air fryer, 2-in-1, one pot for that crispy finish. Yum. Taking a pound of bacon and I'm air frying it.
Wow.
And within minutes, you're gonna have crispy bacon,
Wow.
just like that.
Look at that.
There's no babysitting it. There's no like on the stove, oh, I'm gonna burn it. What about the side? It's not cooking. It's splattered all over the place.
The bottom of this pot is that bacon grease that you're going to use for some dish that you're going to make later.
We're gonna make it right now.
We're going to make it right now?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh yeah. I wanna put this in a saute setting, and now I have like a gigantic saute pan. Why? Because we're gonna make a classic dish called beef bourguignon. How many times you've gone to the meat section and you see it says chuck? How many times have you bought chuck? Not often,
No.
because it's tough, okay? Now we're gonna actually add the chuck to that. This is gonna be melt in your mouth in about 25 minutes.
Wow.
Look at this, you wanna begin to start browning it.
Yeah, look at that color.
Okay, put all of our root vegetables, the aromatics, my beef broth, hit the pressure cooker button, and away it goes. Okay? After 25 minutes, I have an amazing meal.
I tried to take a lady bite.
Doesn't that look incredible? And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take that beef bourguignon and we're gonna start ladling it right over our noodles.
This is a real family style meal. If you look at how much food is here, there's still more in there. 10 meals from that 6-quart pot. Guess how much? $2.40 per meal.
All right, there's very few places these days that you can go get a coffee for $2.40.
Right.
Okay? $2.40, and you have a home-cooked meal.
That's right.
Okay? That's unbelievable. Now, if you were gonna make a cheesecake at home, it'd take an hour and 15, hour and 20, at least. In our bake mode, less than 30 minutes.
Wow.
You gotta let it cool when it comes out, because it's gotta set. When it's set, cut a little wedge all the way down.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Wow.
See how moist that is? We're gonna take those strawberry preserves that we did earlier, and then a little bit of bam! The pressure bake function makes this taste unbelievable. Trust me when I tell you this. So now we get, it's the best part of things, right?
It's my best part of my job.
I've never seen an appliance pressure cook and air fry like this appliance. You won't take it off your counter. And I want to thank all of you for showing all the love. Thank you so much. Thank you.